about that last group, but this is the group I've been waiting for, yes! Come in! I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger? You insult my honor, and believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
Well, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, as you go forth, my friends, I want to remind you to be careful. Safety first. Well, profit first, but safety's a close second. I want to make sure you and the cargo get back with no mishaps. Oh dear, that sounded like a mishap. R5, what is going on? A power fluctuation in the main hangar generator. That's impossible. I had all those components checked personally. Okay, my friends. This is what we in the business call a power failure. But it is no cause for concern, as we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. R5, tell me we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. Yes, of course, the emergency power supply. Just what I was about to suggest. 2 minutes. 2 minutes? Why? What are we supposed to do until then? Stand around in the dark like a cave full of minocs? I have to tell you, this is not typical for Onaka Transport Solutions. We are professionals, held to the highest authority. This sort of thing never happens around here. Really? It happens twice a day? Just follow the crew member, my friends, and I assure you, everything else on today's mission will go perfectly.
Alright, just a few more moments before we get to
Yes, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. We'd better be faster when we get there. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right, pilot. Make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come. Yes, keep shooting. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, guys, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Oh, what's the brakes? My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
No power.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I have the gold axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
Why am I hitting everything? Damn it!
Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Would you climb up?
I'm going!
Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's pretty. Keep shooting. I think I will let you tell the world. Watch. Oh, God. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. It's a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hey. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Hit the booster. Boost. Let's get out of here.
I'm pressing it.
Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. If we leave them back, they may find the resistance. Who did it?
Get the asteroid.
Watch out! Great job, my friend. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have earned the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Nice. I got something.
Time for you to go. Don't worry, the baby.